Alright, so finally working on a more permanent solution to the top of the run. I got stuff on the garage, saws and drills, so I'm gonna just bring this cart over, pick it all up, and get off this camera for all the saws and stuff like that. Even a mosquito trap. Alright, we're gonna try to make the frame with these little brackets. So yeah, we'll see if that works. Alright, I'm gonna try. So making some pilot holes. Use ChatGPT to give me an idea of what size drill to use. Alright. Alright, got a little drizzle, but we're gonna see if ChatGPT's recommendation worked. Because I always wonder, how do I know what size bit unless instructions tell me? I don't know how to do that, but I just asked ChatGPT and give me instructions now. So let's see. I'm getting on my knees. Let's see. Is that gonna come out? Let's see. Oh, hey, that was perfect. No splitting and everything. Let's see the next one. Oh, ChatGPT came through. There we go, right in the hole. There we go. That's good. I know I didn't know where I put my little extender thing. Okay. Alright, we'll keep doing these. Alright, we set it up wrong, so we're going to have to redo it this way, but we'll come back in a minute. Coming along, okay.
It'll work. I have a wire.
So it's coming together. Alright, put all the stuff back. We're going to have to paint it up now. Calling it a day, it's going to rain. We're going to have to paint this first too, so I'll do it another day. Yeah.